The incredible journey of aluminum foil begins deep in the red earth of vast bauxite mines. Huge excavators dig out tons of raw bauxite ore every single day under the hot sun. This reddish rock is the essential starting point for creating millions of aluminum foil rolls. After mining, the bauxite is crushed and washed to remove dirt and impurities. Cleaned bauxite is then transported to massive alumina refineries for further processing. In the refinery, the ore is mixed with chemicals and heated to extract pure alumina powder. This white powder will eventually be transformed into the shiny metal we all use. High-quality alumina is carefully tested before it moves to the next stage. The entire supply chain from mine to factory is planned with great precision. Millions of tons of bauxite are processed every year to meet global demand for aluminum foil. Engineers and workers coordinate closely to keep the production running smoothly. Sustainable practices are increasingly being adopted in bauxite mining and refining. From raw red ore buried in the ground to the first pure alumina, this is the foundation. Every step in this early stage is critical for creating high-quality aluminum foil. This is where the remarkable transformation from earth to everyday foil truly begins. Once the alumina is ready, it is sent to large aluminum smelters for the next important step. In the smelter, alumina is mixed with cryolite and melted using powerful electric current. This process slowly turns the powder into glowing molten aluminum metal. Molten aluminum is carefully tapped from the reduction cells into large crucibles. The liquid metal is then poured into molds to form solid aluminum ingots. These heavy ingots are cooled and prepared for the rolling process ahead. Huge rolling mills heat the ingots and press them into thinner aluminum sheets.
Transporting molten aluminum to the casting house. Safety protocols active. Clear the area.
Initiating tier test. Tier strength is 12.5 newtons. Now for the shine test.
Checklist complete, quantity verified for millions of rolls, stamped and approved for distribution. Order 4567, ready for loading.
Clear for entry. Load secure.
Feedback from customers and retailers helps maintain our quality.
Taste panel confirms this meets our high standards.
This ensures continuous improvement.
We did it! Millions!
Great job, team!
On to the next million. Let's keep it going. Scanning batch 001. Batch 02 confirmed. Batch 03 updated.
These foils look great. We'll take the full order.
Coming right up. Good. Load the industrial grade next. Aluminum foil is set for future expansion. With new apple packaging to energy harvesting, its potential is limitless. This simple tool is essential. Its adjustable design makes it versatile, a lasting contribution to modern life.